Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So in previous video we have already understood about the transportation and translocation in plants. So today we are going to understand excretion process in plants. Okay, and this is the very important process because as we know in our house there is a waste material which is generated in our kitchen. So do we keeping this waste material in kitchen itself? No, we are removing every day the waste material out from the home. That's like that our body is also releases some waste material inside our body itself. That's why this waste material have to be removed time to time out from the body. Okay, in organism like plant as well as in animal also. If this waste material is accumulated for the long time in human or plant body, it may produce the harmful effect also. Sometimes the death of the animal also takes place due to the waste material. Okay, that's why this waste material has to be removed, must be removed out from the body. Okay, so let's start the extraction, the excretion of the extraction. So let's understand excretion of waste material out from the body in case of plant. So our heading will be excretion in plant. Excretion in plants. As plants do not have the well developed organ for the excretion, but human being or in case of animals they have well developed organ for their excretion. Like in human body we have kidney. The kidney is the main excretory part of our excretory organ of our body, but plants do not have such organs which are used for the extraction or we can say excretion. Okay, so what plant will do then? So plant will deposit their waste material in cell itself. That cells then becomes dead and this dead cell forms the bark of the tree. Some waste material of the plant which are deposited through the roots in soil itself, and some the like gaseous excretion takes place with the help of stomata opening. Okay, so in plant the gaseous exchange or we can say excretion takes place with the help of स्टोमेटा itself. स्टोमेटा के ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग के समय जो gaseous waste material है which is excreted out from the body with the help of stomata. But the some solid or liquid waste material, some of the waste material which is deposited in cell itself and some are the releases in soil with the help of root. So some waste material like resin and latex which are excreted from the xylem cell or we can say old xylem cell, and most of the waste material which is deposited in the old cambium cells. This cambium cell which are the dead cell which are present in plant itself. Okay, so let's understand the use of the waste material of the plant. So most of the waste material like gum, resin and latex which are useful for the human being, you know. So as you can see in diagram, this is nothing but the waste material of the plant which is useful for human being. Okay, so have you seen in few seasons leaf of the plant they are detached from the plant. Okay, like हम उसको बोलते हैं wilting of leaves. So wilting of leaves क्यों होता है? Because most of the processes in plant where takes place in leaves only. Because leaves are the green in color where photosynthesis reaction takes place. So during the photosynthesis reaction, most of the waste material which are deposited in cell of the leaf itself. That's why अब जब बहुत ज्यादा अमाउंट में लीफ में अगर वेस्ट मटेरियल डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा देन these leaves are get detached from the plant and new leaves are generated from there. Okay, so wilting of leaves which are caused due to the deposition of waste material in leaf. That's why these leaves are detached from the plant and they are releases in surrounding itself. Okay, so the wilting of leaves is causes for the removal of waste material from their body. We have one more plant, हम उसको डेली लैंग्वेज में सूरन बोलते हैं. ओके, सो देर आर फ्यू प्लांट्स, जब हम उनको उनके जो डिपॉजिटेड फूड होता है दैट इज जमीन में एक कंद के समान होता है, दैट पार्ट इज व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग लाइक कोलोकेसिया. कोलोकेसिया की अगर हम बात करेंगे, अगर हमने उसको टच कर लिया या हमने उसको अगर खा लिया, सो इट causes the itching sensation in our throat. So what happens there? So in their cells, इनकी जो cells होती है, most of the cells are in hexagonal form. Okay, the cells of this plant is like this only, and here the raphides are present. Raphides are present. These raphides are formed by the calcium oxalate crystals. Okay, these are the raphides. These raphides are formed by calcium oxalate. Calcium oxalate crystal. Okay, these crystals are needle shaped. These are the needle shaped. When these needle shaped calcium oxalate crystals, they are also called as raphides. They are present in the cell of the few plants. These raphides or calcium oxalate crystals are nothing but the waste material which is deposited in their root itself. Okay, so when we are using this as our food, these needle shaped calcium oxalate crystal, they have got penetrated in our inner lining of the cell of the mouth and in our hand also, and they causes the sensation of itching. हम जनरली जो सूरन की सब्जी खाते हैं उसके कारण हमारे थ्रोट में इचिंग का सेंसेशन होता है, दैट इज कोलोकोसिया एंड सूरन. जब हम इनको खाते हैं तो इचिंग सेंसेशन क्यों होता है? ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ नीडल शेप्ड कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट क्रिस्टल्स इन देयर सेल्स, क्योंकि उनके सेल्स में कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट के क्रिस्टल्स नीडल शेप में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, एंड दिस नीडल शेप कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट क्रिस्टल गॉट पेनिट्रेटेड और पिंस इन आवर इनर लाइनिंग ऑफ द माउथ एंड कॉजेस सेंसेशन ऑफ itching. Okay, that's why this food material which are cooked in presence of acid, we are generally using tartaric acid or citric acid. That means हम या तो उनको टेम्बरिन में पकाते हैं या फिर नींबू का रस डालते हैं, दैट इज लेमन जूस, और वी आर यूजिंग एक्सेस ऑफ टमाटोज बिकॉज दे कंटेन एसिड. सो कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट के क्रिस्टल्स when we are cooking into the such acids, they get dissolved in acid and the sensation of itching got reduced. बहुत बार क्या होता है, जब भी हम ऐसे फूड को की कुकिंग करते हैं, that time we are using some acid from the tomatoes or lemon or tamarind. इनसे हमको जो एसिड मिलता है, एसिड में कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट के क्रिस्टल डिसॉल्व हो जाते हैं, जिसके कारण ये इचिंग का सेंसेशन कॉज नहीं करते. ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट द वेस्ट मटेरियल विच आर डिपॉजिटेड बाय द प्लांट इन देयर रूट्स. ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट द एक्सक्रीशन इन प्लांट्स. ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दिस ऑल्सो. Amorphophilus and Colocasia. Okay, so these are the two plants which are deposited their waste material in the form of calcium oxalate crystal in their roots. Okay, that's why their roots get swelled, and that swelled roots we are using as our food. Okay, so write down now. So student, here we have completed the excretion. We have completed the excretion part in plant. Okay. So by next video we are going to start the excretion in human being. Okay. So students, उस दिन हमने कॉन्फ्रेंस में बात किया था आप लोगों से. Okay, about you are attending the video lectures or not, and you are getting understand this concept or not. So students, seriously, अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, so do call me between 4 to 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay, I am free at that time to attend your calls and solve your queries. Okay, so students, please do concentrate on your study, especially in mathematics and science and other subjects also. Okay, because in teacher meeting we have already discussed about that you are not attending the lecture every day and you are not replying about your doubts. Okay, so please do concentrate on your studies, because in this time is very crucial and you have to understand all the concept clearly, because in your next class is going to be a very tough for you. Okay, so this 9th class is the step for attending the 10th class. Okay, 10th class को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए आपको 9th क्लास का सिलेबस समझ में आना इज रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो गाइस, प्लीज डू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर स्टडीज. ओके, एंड इफ you are getting any doubt, please do call me on my number which is 8329130824. okay, between 4 to 6 p.m. in the evening. okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय.